Hiya. As basic as this is, we thought we'd show you, and we've had some requests via our channel, how to make a Costa Coffee, sorry. That's a fraudulent slip coffer, caramel latte. Right, obviously you need your machine, you need a cup sort of that size. You need to put your tray on the bottom. There's two of these, that needs to be on the bottom. You need to make sure you've got some water in there, at least half full. Basically all you do is you take your first pod. This has two pods and it says me first, and it's quite clear, it says shake. You give it a good shake and then turn it upside down and place it in the top. It can only go in one way and that little tab sticks out the side. Push down, and then this is a bit like a locking mechanism, and it locks it, clicks. Hear that? Now let me just move these pods away. I'm going to turn this machine around a bit. If you see there, it's got a light on it, an orange light. Looks like the moon basically. And it's got a picture of the cup. Right, that light is solid. Press it and it's solid. Now it starts doing its magic. Although slowly, it will do its magic. And while it's doing it, flashes. While the button is flashing, do not open the machine where you put your pod in. If you look at the top there, there's a sign. It says, do not open when the orange light is flashing. Yeah? Wait until the orange light is steady. Steady means a solid orange light. And you'll see why in a minute. And we mentioned before, it would be ideal for a facial, but this is hot steam coming out of this machine. Bear that in mind. It might look like not hot steam, but there you go. That's why you shouldn't open the machine, because if you do, I'll show you in a minute. So before you put your second pod in, wait for that light to be a solid orange, whether it's yellow light. Should not be flashing. Welcome back to doing the second part. So the machine stopped steaming. You see we've got solid yellow, orange, smiley face, orange light there. So this is a two-part coffee basically. So undo your machine, take the me first pod out, me second pod. It doesn't say to shake it, so I'm not going to shake it. I'm just going to put it in. Same principle again, press down, pull this bit down till it clicks. Check you've got enough water in there. Yeah. We have, yeah. Got a solid orange light. So the moon is smiling solid, as I say, so just hit the button again and let it do its magic. While we're doing this video, I just want to say something that I think is a real plus for this. And although it's a little bit off topic, it is a plus. Child safety. If you're using one of these, it means you haven't got the potential risk of a kettle falling over on somebody, boiling scalding water. So it's quite a plus just for a safety aspect. Right, anyway, back to the coffee. So that's flashing, you mustn't open the machine, and the process hasn't finished yet. In fact, this light may look green on the video. Flashing yellow, green.
It's not, it is orange, it shows up as orange on those,
on there, yeah.
Sometimes it's different colours actually, you are right.
So it's still flashing. Right, it's now gone solid. So you can take your cup away. That's it. And obviously the most important thing to do, it doesn't say there, but I know you need to do it. This doesn't have sweetener in, so if you want sweetener in, it's up to you how you want it, before or after. Little stir. Now we've gone quite upmarket. We've even got something for our teaspoon though.
So that's how you make a Costa Coffee Caramel Latte. It's a 2-part system, and we'll do a few more videos on this just to show how easy it is to use this machine.
There's the 2 parts, 1 and 2, and obviously the ultimate test is
The taste test. It is caramel, so it will have a little bit of sweetness to it, won't it?
that is just like you get in the shops. Anyway, if we've helped you with your morning coffee, you could help us along a bit. Be appreciated. Why not subscribe to our channel? Thank you.